Welcome to Alvi Associates. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of asphalt roads, also known as bituminous roads. Whether you're a construction engineer, architect, or simply someone who loves learning about infrastructure, this video will give you a comprehensive understanding of how these roads are built, from start to finish. Don't forget to subscribe to Alvi Associates for more content on construction engineering, architecture, and technology. Hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our in-depth videos on cutting-edge industry topics. Let's begin by understanding what asphalt or bituminous roads are. Asphalt roads are a common type of paved road that uses bitumen as a binder mixed with aggregates such as sand, gravel, and crushed stone. They offer a smooth and durable surface for vehicles, making them a staple in road construction around the world. But how exactly are they made? Let's find out. The primary materials used in the construction of asphalt roads include bitumen, a thick, sticky substance derived from crude oil. It acts as the binder that holds the aggregates together. Aggregates. These are the granular materials, such as crushed stone, gravel, and sand, that give the asphalt its strength and stability. Additives. Various additives are used to improve the performance of the asphalt, such as polymer modifiers for increased flexibility and anti-stripping agents for better moisture resistance. The quality and proper mixture of these materials are crucial for ensuring the road's longevity and strength. Before any asphalt can be laid, the construction site needs to be properly prepared. Here's how it works. Site surveying. Engineers begin with surveying the land to determine the optimal alignment and elevation of the road. Clearing and excavation. The area is cleared of vegetation, debris, and any existing road material. Excavation is done to achieve the desired subgrade level. Subgrade preparation. The subgrade, which is the soil beneath the road, is compacted to provide a solid foundation for the new asphalt layers. Once the site is prepared, the real construction work begins. Here's the step-by-step process. Priming the surface. A tack coat or primer is applied to the subgrade or old surface to improve adhesion between the existing layer and the new asphalt. Asphalt mixing. Hot mix asphalt is prepared by heating the bitumen and mixing it with aggregates in precise ratios. This mixture is transported to the construction site, laying the asphalt. The hot mix asphalt is then laid using specialized paving machines called pavers. These machines evenly distribute the asphalt mixture to create a smooth and uniform layer. The thickness of the layer will depend on the expected traffic load and weather conditions. After the asphalt is laid, it's time for the compaction process, which is essential to ensuring the road is strong and durable. Initial compaction. Large rollers, known as vibratory rollers, are used to compact the fresh asphalt. This helps remove air pockets and ensures the mixture is tightly packed. Final compaction. After the initial compaction, a smooth drum roller is used for the final pass to give the asphalt a smooth surface and perfect density. Proper compaction is critical to avoid cracks and potholes in the future. Once the asphalt is compacted, it must undergo a curing process to set and harden. Curing times vary depending on environmental conditions, but it typically takes several hours to a few days. After curing, the surface may undergo additional finishing steps like surface dressing. Sometimes a layer of fine aggregate is applied to enhance the surface texture and prevent skidding. Quality control. Engineers conduct various tests to ensure the asphalt meets specifications for durability, strength, and smoothness. And even though asphalt roads are built to last, regular maintenance is crucial to their long-term durability. Over time, asphalt can crack or deteriorate due to heavy traffic, weather conditions, or poor drainage. Maintenance techniques include patching. Small cracks or potholes are patched with fresh asphalt, resurfacing. In cases of extensive damage, a new layer of asphalt is laid on top of the old one. Seal coating. A protective seal is applied to reduce wear and tear from UV rays and moisture. Now you have a clear understanding of the process involved in building asphalt or bituminous roads. From selecting the right materials to laying and compacting the asphalt, Each step plays a crucial role in the creation of a road that lasts. Asphalt roads are vital to modern infrastructure, providing safe and smooth transportation routes across the world. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about construction techniques, engineering and architecture, make sure to subscribe to Alvi Associates for more in-depth videos like this one. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.